monkey.
Says little monkey.
I want to be strong.
I want to be strong.
A wise woman
A wise woman
hears him.
hears him.
Take this magic band,
Take this magic band.
she says,
She says,
and all your wishes
and all your wishes
can come true.
can come true.
A giraffe
A giraffe
comes by.
comes by.
He stretches his long neck.
He stretches his long neck.
He eats the sweet leaves
He eats the sweet leaves
at the top of the trees.
at the top of the trees.
I want a long neck,
I want a long neck,
says little monkey.
says little monkey.
Pop.
Pop.
His neck grows long,
His legs grow long,
just like the giraffes.
just like the giraffes.
Little monkey is happy.
Little monkey is happy.
An elephant comes down
An elephant comes down
to the river.
to the river.
He fills his trunk with water.
He fills his trunk with water.
He blows it all over himself.
He blows it all over himself.
I want to do that too,
I want to do that too,
says little monkey.
says little monkey.
Bang!
Bang.
Just like that,
Just like that,
he grows a trunk.
he grows a trunk.
He is very happy.
He is very happy.
This is fun.
This is fun.
He says,
He says,
next.
next.
Little monkey sees a zebra.
Little monkey sees a zebra.
I want strips like those.
I want strips like those.
He says,
He says,
whiz.
this.
Little monkey has strips
Little monkey has strips
all over his body,
all over his body,
just like the zebra.
just like the zebra.
He is very,
He is very,
very happy.
very happy.
He goes to the river
He goes to the river
to try out his new trunk.
to try out his new trunk.
He looks down.
He looks down.
He sees himself in the water.
He sees himself in the water.
Mother,
Mother,
he cries.
he cries,
Help,
help,
a monster.
a monster.
That's not a monster,
That's not a monster,
says his mother.
says his mother.
That's you.
That's you.
You want a giraffe's neck,
You want to giraffe's neck,
an elephant's trunk,
an elephant's trunk,
stripes like a zebra.
stripes like a zebra.
Don't you remember?
Don't you remember?
Question mark.
Question mark.
Little monkey cries and cries.
Little monkey cries and cries.
I look awful.
I look awful.
He says,
He says,
I want to be myself again.
I want to be myself again.
There is a pop,
There is a pop,
a bang,
a bang,
and a whiz.
and a wish.
Little monkey is himself again.
Little monkey is himself again.
He jumps for joy.
He jumps for joy.
He throws the magic band
He throws the magic band
into the river.
into the river.
He never wants to
He never wants to
be anyone else again.
be anyone else again.
By
By
Judy Link.
Judy Link.
New words:
New words,
strong,
strong,
band,
band,
wishes,
wishes,
blows,
blows,
trunk,
trunk,
monster.
monster.
Reading is fun.
Reading is fun.
Put a right or a wrong
Put a right or a wrong
against the following sentences.
against the following sentences.
One has been done for you.
One has been done for you.
The little monkey wants
The little monkey wants
to be big
to be big
and strong.
and strong.
A wise woman does not hear him.
A wise woman does not hear him.
She gives him a wand.
She gives him a band.
The giraffe stretches his long neck.
The giraffe stretches his long neck.
The elephant has no trunk.
The elephant has no trunk.
The zebra has stripes.
The zebra has stripes.
The little monkey
The little monkey
sees a monster
sees a monster
in the river.
in the river.
Let's talk.
Let's talk.
Is there anyone in your class
Is there anyone in your class
whom you like?
whom you like?
Do you want to be like
Do you want to be like
her and him?
her and him?
Why?
Why?
Do you know about the food
Do you know about the food
that each animal eat?
that each animal eat?
Let's listen.
Let's listen.
What does little monkey
What does little monkey
want to be?
want to be?
Who hears him?
Who hears him?
How does an elephant
How does an elephant
have a bath?
have a bath?
Does the zebra have spots or stripes?
Does the zebra have spots or stripes?
Why does little monkey
Why does little monkey
want to be himself again?
want to be himself again?
Let's hear.
Let's hear.
There are many kinds of people.
There are many kinds of people.
They all look different.
They all look different.
One face has been drawn for you.
One face has drawn for you.
Complete the rest of the faces.
Complete the rest of the faces.
Let's act.
Let's act.
Act out the story.
Act out the story.
Play the parts of the monkey,
Play the parts of the monkey,
the wise woman,
the wise woman,
and the mother
and the mother
in turns in the classroom.
in turns in the classroom.
What would you do
What would you do
if you had a magic wand?
if you had a magic wand?
I would turn it round
I would turn it round
and round
and round
and turn a book into a
and turn a book into a
blank.
blank.
I would turn a dog into a
I would turn a dog into a
blank.
blank.
I would turn a pencil into a
I would turn a pencil into a
blank.
blank.
I would turn you into a
I would turn you into a
blank.
blank.
Say aloud.
Say aloud.
Strong.
Strong.
Stretch.
Stretch.
String.
String.
Stripes.
Stripes.
School.
School.
Skin.
Skin.
Scold.
Soul.
Scruffy.
Scruffy.
Spot.
Spot.
Spit.
Spit.
Spin.
Spin.
Spell.
Spell.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Zoom.
Zoom.
Zip.
Zip.
Zoo.
Zoo.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Jump.
Jump.
Joy.
Joy.
Jelly.
Jelly.
Gum.
Gum.
Girl.
Girl.
Crow.
Grow.
Give.
Give.
Let's find.
Let's find.
Monkeys are fun to watch.
Monkeys are fun to watch.
Can you find the word
Can you find the word
monkey 5 times in the box?
monkey 5 times in the box?
Now write
Now write
about your favorite animal
about your favorite animal
or bird
or bird
by completing these sentences.
by completing these sentences.
My favorite animal
My favorite animal
bird is
bird is
blank.
black.
I like it because
I like it because
blank.
black.
I don't like it because
I don't like it because
blank.
black.
I think it looks like
I think it looks like
blank.
black.
Word building.
Word building.
Match the animals to its group.
Match the animals to its group.
A bee,
A bee,
a pride of lions,
a pride of lions,
a cow,
a cow,
a flock of birds,
a flock of birds,
a lion,
a lion,
a swarm of bees,
a swarm of bees,
a bird,
a bird,
a herd of cows.
a herd of cows.
Let's write.
Let's write.
The monkey wrote to his mother,
The monkey wrote to his mother,
I look awful.
I look awful.
He made 2 mistakes.
He made 2 mistakes.
What are they?
What are they?
Write the sentence correctly.
Write the sentence correctly.
Put the letters in order.
Put the letters in order.
To make a word.
To make a word.
To have been done for you.
To have been done for you.
Ought.
Or
To.
to
See.
see
Is.
is
Blank.
blank
Zip.
zip
Blank.
blank
Me.
me
Blank.
blank
See.
see
Blank.
blank
Red. Blank.
blank
Neck.
neck
Blank.
blank.
Look at the pictures.
Look at the pictures.
Count and write.
Count and write.
1 giraffe.
1 giraffe.
Add S to the names of the animals.
Add S to the name of the animals.
Giraffes.
Giraffe.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Frog.
Frog.
Count and write.
Count and write.
2 giraffes.
2 giraffes.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Teachers' pages.
Teacher pages.
Unit 2 is an opportunity
Unit 2 is an opportunity
to share with children feelings
to share with children feelings
that we can all be happy being
that we can all be happy being
what we are.
what we are.
Little children feel joyous
Little children feel joy
when they are told
when they are told
how good they are.
how good they are.
So use this unit
So use this unit
to make every child
to make every child
of your class
of your class
feel special.
feel special.
Share these words
Share these words
with the class
with the class
after the activity.
after the activity.
So what if they are dark or fair?
So what if they are dark or fair?
So what if they are tall or small?
So what if they are tall or small?
So what if they are this or that?
So what if they are this or that?
They are your children
They are your children
and you love them
and you love them
for what they are.
for what they are.
This is the thought
This is a thought
that needs to be nurtured.
that needs to be nurtured.
The movements,
The movements,
actions,
actions,
activities
activities
of different animals,
of different animals,
birds
birds
can be discussed.
can be discussed.
Poems in their mother tongues
Poems in the mother tongue
can be recited.
can be recited.
Develop listening skills.
Develop listening skills.
In this unit,
In this unit,
involve the children
involve the children
in playing a silence game.
in playing the silence game.
Let them all be gently guided
Let them all be gently guided
to listen
to listen
to the sound of the fan,
to the sound of the fan,
rustling of leaves.
rustling of leaves.
Imagine
Imagine
how the wind makes a noise,
how the wind makes a noise,
what the leaves are saying,
what the leaves are saying,
and then speak
speak
what they listened to
what they listen to
or imagined.
or imagine.
The focus is to develop in children
The focus is to develop in children
the habit of listening
the habit of listening
during the morning assembly.
during the morning assembly,
Practice rhymes
practice rhymes
with actions.
with action.
If possible,
If possible,
practice of sargam,
practice of sargam,
music,
music,
breathing exercises
breathing exercises
too
too
can be introduced.
can be introduced.
Develop vocabulary.
Develop vocabulary.
Put up sight words
Put aside words
like butterfly,
like butterfly,
manna,
manna,
fish,
fish,
elephant,
elephant,
candle,
candle,
kangaroo,
kangaroo,
octopus
octopus,
in a rebus form.
in a rebel form.
that is
that is
words plus pictures.
words plus pictures.
The children should be introduced
The children should be introduced
to more collective nouns.
to more collective nouns.
For example,
For example,
an army of ants,
an army of ants,
a bunch of flowers.
a bunch of flowers.
More exercises are to be given
More exercises are to be given
on punctuation.
on punctuation.
Give children more practice
Give children more practice
by introducing new words
by introducing new words
for making plurals.
for making plurals.
Exposure to language.
Exposure to language.
Let children build words
Let children build words
related to what they like
related to what they like
about their friends,
about their friends,
as when having a game
and then having a game
where they can describe other children.
where they describe other children.
Example,
Example,
Sunil is so tall,
Sunil is so tall,
Rahim is really good.
Rahim is really good.
Keep adding names of children
Keep adding names of children
and then have a class activity
and then have a class activity
for the same.
for the same.
Name,
Name
what I like about him
what I like about him
or her.
or her.
However,
However,
now it is time to expose children
now it's time to children
to listen to
to
2 or more sounds
two or more sounds
to make words
to make words
more systematically.
more systematically.
Example,
Example,
when we bring
when you bring
A
A
and T together,
and T together,
we make a family of
we make a family of
adverbs.
adverbs.
After making the concept clear
After making the concept clear
in their minds,
in their minds,
we can show them
we can show them
how to make three-letter words
how to make three-letter words
with at.
which add.
For example,
For example,
a class game of making new words
a class game of making words
with at,
with add,
bat,
bat,
cat,
cat,
fat,
fat,
rat
rat
can now be continued.
can now be continued.
Keep adding to the list of words
Keep adding to the list of words
ab,
add,
add, egg, am, an, edge, it, id, each, in, ought, ob, odd, og, op, it, ib, ig, in, ip, ug, ub, at. More can be added.
More can be added.
Develop writing skills.
Develop writing skills.
Units 1 and 2
Units 1 and 2
are an opportunity
are an opportunity
to revise the writing skills
to revise the writing skills
of book 1.
of book 1.
This is also a time
This is also a time
for children
for children
to listen to words pronounced
to listen to words pronounced
by the teacher
by the teacher
as in apple
as in apple
and create pictures
and create pictures
which can then lead them
which can then lead them
to sentence formation.
to sentence formation.
Develop the ability
Develop the ability
to follow directions.
to follow directions.
Top,
Top,
middle,
middle,
bottom.
bottom.
Have the children describe
Have the children describe
what they see in the top,
what they see in the top,
middle,
middle,
and bottom shelf
and bottom shelf
of a school cupboard.
of the school cupboard.
If you do not have a cupboard,
If you do not have a cupboard,
let the class be involved
let the class be involved
in drawing
in drawing
or making one
or making one
with a cardboard box
with a cardboard box
and then paint the
and then paint the
top shelf
top shelf
yellow,
yellow,
the middle
the middle
red,
red,
and the bottom shelf
and bottom shelf
blue.
blue.